are starting this new series called Employee Spotlight, where we're going to be sharing with our residents the different facilities in the city along with the employees that make things happen. For our first segment, we have
Brent Riker, I'm the Aquatic Maintenance Specialist here over at the Olympic Swim and Fitness Center. Let's go inside and I'll show you the work environment and the swim facility.
Tell me, as an aquatics maintenance specialist, what kind of certifications, licensing that you need?
Okay, a certified pool operator certificate, one. The second one would be an LA technician pool certification from the LA County Health Department.
So Brent, can you kind of just walk us through what are some of the safety priorities that you do here at the swim center?
I walk the perimeter first thing in the morning, 5 in the morning start, make sure everything is safe, no tripping hazards. Check the temperature of the pool, check the chlorine and the pH.
There's a lot that goes on behind the scenes for the maintenance and safety. Can you show me some of that?
I would love to.
All right, great.
This way. This is where the pool filters the water and recycles it. What is caked on these grids is diatomaceous earth.
I'm sorry, what's that?
Diatomaceous earth is plankton shells essentially, so they're microscopic. This is one of the best filter mediums that are out there. They're rarely used. People have gone to cartridges, but this cleans the pool better than anything I've ever heard about. So Mayor, this is our Palin testers. This is where we check for our chemistry. We're checking for chlorine, we're checking for pH, calcium hardness, or alkalinity, anything else that if I notice, we have different reagents in here that are gonna show us exactly what's going on with the pool if we're having any issues.
Okay, and how often during the day is that used, or do we test?
Once an hour.
Once an hour?
Once an hour, I'm testing the chemicals in the pool, ensuring that everything is safe. This is our infamous boiler. Been here since 1984, along with a lot of the structure around here. It heats the pool and it also heats our lobby and the staff bathrooms. So it has a multiple purpose.
So there are some issues with the boiler now. You know, that's been a discussion at the city council level. Tell us, what are the issues?
So we've had several issues. It's not always the exact same thing. We have an actuator go down. We've had the computer board go down. We've had this blower go down. Multiple components in everything. So one thing leads to another. You have an old part, then you get that one fixed, and then the next one fails, and it's just a chain reaction.
I see.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for showing me around today, the day in the life of an aquatics maintenance specialist, making sure that our pool is safe and free of pathogens for our residents.
It's been my pleasure, Mayor. Thank you so much.
I enjoyed our tour.